Good day, grade 5 learners. I'm teacher Renie, your mathematics teacher for today. We are now in the 7th week of our lesson in mathematics. I'm sure that everyone is ready to learn. Let's begin. Before we start, please prepare your learning module, paper and pen. Alright, today we'll talk about multiplying factors by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of a fraction is found by simply flipping its numerator and denominator. In other words, the denominator of the original fraction is placed on top and the numerator at the bottom. Examples: 1/2 and 2/1, 3/4 and 4/3, and 6/7 and 7/6. Let's practice. Let's find out if the given set of fractions are reciprocal or not. 1/4 and 4/1. Reciprocal or not? Correct. The reciprocal of 1/4 is 4/1. 2/3 and 3/2. Reciprocal or not? That's right. The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. Now, 4/7 and 3/7. Reciprocal or not? Good job, learners! 4/7 is not a reciprocal of 3/7. How about 6 and 1/6? Reciprocal or not? Very good. 6 is the reciprocal of 1/6 because the denominator of a whole number is 1. We write 6 as 6/1. Therefore, 6/1 is the reciprocal of 1/6. Same goes with 1/5 and 5. The denominator of 5 is 1. Therefore, the reciprocal of 5/1 is 1/5. Now, learners, I have a question for you all. What will happen if we multiply a fraction or a number by its reciprocal? Let's find out. There are 3 simple steps to multiply fractions. First, multiply the top numbers or the numerators. Second, multiply the bottom numbers or the denominators. Third, simplify the fraction if needed. Here's an example. 2/6. The reciprocal of 2/6 is 6/2. Now, let's do the multiplication. First, multiply the top numbers or the numerators. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Second, multiply the bottom numbers or the denominators. 6 times 2 is also 12. Therefore, the product of the given fraction and its reciprocal is 12/12 or 1. Let's try another example. 2/5. What is the reciprocal of 2/5? That's right, 5/2. Now, let's multiply both numerators and denominators. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 2 is also 10. Therefore, the product of the given fraction is 10/10 or 1. Good job, learners! Now, let's dig deeper. This time, we're going to use a whole number. Let's use the whole number 7. What is the reciprocal of 7? Excellent! Since 7 is equivalent to 7/1, its reciprocal is 1/7. Now, we can do the multiplication. 7 times 1 is 7, and 1 times 7 is also 7. The answer, or the product, is 7 sevens or 1. Learners, do you see a pattern? What is the product when a fraction or a number is multiplied by its reciprocal? You're right! The product of a fraction or a number multiplied by its reciprocal is always 1. That is why the reciprocal of a number is also called its multiplicative inverse. This time, let's try to check what you've learned about our lesson. Good luck! Directions: fill in the blank with a number which will make the statement true. But galing, grade 5 learners! Always remember that the product of a fraction or a number multiplied by its reciprocal is always 1. Again, I'm Teacher Renie, saying that ang math ay hindi mahirap. Ang kailangan mo lang magsumikap, mag-aral ay masaya. Bye!
Magalala, wag kang mangamba.